Hello everyone. This is Amar from HostKnock. Today, I am going to show you how to make a website. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Log into your cPanel by entering the username and password. You will be taken to a dashboard where you will see many options. Under Domains, you will see a Site Publisher option. Click on it and it will take you to a new window. On the new window, you will be asked to choose the template for your website. Once you click on your preferred website template, you will be taken to a new screen where you can customize the template according to your needs. Under Customize and Publish, you will be asked to enter your full name, tagline, image URL, about me, address, phone number, email address, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Analytics Tracker ID. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Publish button. You will see a message, which says, "Congratulations! You have published your website.to, your website URL." Once you click on your website URL, you will be taken to your website. Best of luck! I hope this tutorial helped you in creating your own website using cPanel. If you still have a question or query, feel free to ask in the comments section below.